Am I the only one that didn't know these 20 money rules? Time to master them now. Rule 1. Always pay yourself first. Rule 2. Track every expense. Rule 3. Live below your means. Rule 4. Create a budget and stick to it. Rule 5. Build an emergency fund. Rule 6. Invest in what you understand. Rule 7. Diversify your investments. Rule 8. Avoid bad debt. Rule 9. Save for retirement early. Rule 10. Automate your savings. Rule 11. Have multiple income streams. Rule 12. Keep learning about finance. Rule 13. Set financial goals. Rule 14. Review your finances regularly. Rule 15. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes. Rule 16. Understand taxes. Rule 17. Protect your assets with insurance. Rule 18. Negotiate your bills. Rule 19. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Rule 20. Stay committed to your plan. Now go out there and conquer your financial future.